Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. Great news! Sometimes, in the actual board exam, you will encounter SPDI questions and practical problems taken from the RNPCP book. So read it at least 3 times and understand it well. Good luck, Masters!
Question number 1. Confined space is a room or space having a volume less than blank, with 250 kcal of the aggregate input rating of all fuel-burning appliances installed in that space, minimum for unconfined space. Letter A, 1.20 cubic meters. Letter B, 1.40 cubic meters. Letter C, 2.43 cubic meters. Letter D, 3.63 cubic meters. The answer is letter B, 1.40 cubic meters. Question number 2. Equivalent of one fixture unit in gallons per minute. Letter A, 1 gallon per minute. Letter B, 28.3 gallons per minute. Letter C, 1.8 gallons per minute. Letter D, 7.48 gallons per minute. The answer is letter D, 7.48 gallons per minute. Question number 3. In one plumbing unit, determine the number of water closet. Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. The answer is letter A, 1. Question number 4. Water piping shall be tested under a water pressure not less than the working pressure under which it is to be used plus blank. Letter A, 5%. Letter B, 25%. Letter C, 50%. Letter D, 75%. The answer is letter C, 50%. Question number 5. Minimum total net inlet area of drain with roof deck strainer. Letter A, 1.5 times the area of outlet. Letter B, 0.5 times the area of outlet. Letter C, 2 times the area of outlet. Letter D, equal to the area of outlet. The answer is letter C, 2 times the area of outlet. Question number 6. When gutter has semicircular bottom, the depth of equivalent area of rectangular gutter is blank. Letter A, 0.392 times diameter. Letter B, 0.8862 times diameter. Letter C, 0.329 times diameter. Letter D, 0.8662 times diameter. The answer is letter A, 0.392 times diameter. Question number 7. Minimum diameter of building sewer, but not less than the size of the building drain. Letter A, 102 millimeters. Letter B, 51 millimeters. Letter C, 76 millimeters. Letter D, 150 millimeters. The answer is letter D, 150 millimeters. Question number 8. Allowable slope for drainage piping 102 millimeters or larger in diameter given the site constraints. Letter A, 0.5%. Letter B, 1%. Letter C, 2%. Letter D, 4%. The answer is letter B, 1%. Question number 9. Minimum horizontal distance of trees from septic tanks, seepage pits or cesspool. Letter A, 3 meters. Letter B, 4.6 meters. Letter C, 15.2 meters. Letter D, 30.2 meters. The answer is letter A, 3 meters. Question number 10. In a cesspool, the minimum extension of vented leg downward into an existing pit, letter A, 304.8 millimeters, letter B, 254 millimeters, letter C, 203.2 millimeters, letter D, 228.6 millimeters. The answer is letter A, 304.8 millimeters. Question number 11. Intervals of sewage discharge from the dosing tank through automatic siphon or pump, letter A, 1 to 2 hours, letter B, 3 to 4 hours, letter C, 2 to 3 hours, letter D, 4 to 5 hours. The answer is letter B, 3 to 4 hours. Question number 12. Varying sizes of clean stone, gravel, slag or similar filter material to be placed in the trench. Letter A, 0.75 to 2.5 inches. Letter B, 1 to 2.5 inches. Letter C, 0.75 to 2 inches. Letter D, 1 to 3 inches. The answer is letter A, 0.75 to 2.5 inches. Question number 13. Length of inlet compartment to be provided with additional manhole. Letter A, more than 7.3 meters. Letter B, more than 1.5 meters. Letter C, more than 3.7 meters. Letter D, more than 3.0 meters. The answer is letter C, more than 3.7 meters. Question number 14. Minimum capacity of secondary compartment of a septic tank. Letter A, 1 cubic meter. Letter B, 1.5 cubic meters. Letter C, 2 cubic meters. Letter D, 3 cubic meters. The answer is letter A, 1 cubic meter. Question number 15. For condensers and sumps, diameter of the opening serving as siphon breaker at the top of the deep seal trap. Letter A, 25 millimeters. Letter B, 13 millimeters. Letter C, 6.4 millimeters. Letter D, 19 millimeters. The answer is letter D, 19 millimeters. Question number 16. Maximum height of the trap for clothes washer standpipe receptor above the floor. Letter A, 51 centimeters. Letter B, 15 centimeters. Letter C, 45 centimeters. Letter D, 25 centimeters. The answer is letter C, 45 centimeters. Question number 17. Minimum diameter of indirect waste pipe. Letter A, 6.4 millimeters. Letter B, 19 millimeters. Letter C, 13 millimeters. Letter D, 25 millimeters. The answer is letter C, 13 millimeters. Question number 18. Ratio of slop sink tray to number of persons. Letter A, 1 is to 50. Letter B, 1 is to 100. Letter C, 1 is to 75. Letter D, 1 is to 30. The answer is letter B, 1 is to 100. Question number 19. Minimum thickness of continuous waste and fixture tailpiece made of seamless drawn brass. Letter A, gauge 24, or 0.5 millimeters. Letter B, gauge 20, or 0.8 millimeters. Letter C, gauge 16, or 1.6 millimeters. Letter D, gauge 12, or 2.77 millimeters. The answer is letter B, gauge 20, or 0.8 millimeters. Question number 20. Trenches shall be backfilled in thin layers of blank above the top of the pipe with clean earth. Letter A, 0.45 meter. Letter B, 0.60 meter. Letter C, 0.30 meter. Letter D, 1.20 meters. The answer is letter C, 0.30 meter. Question number 21. Maximum length of tunnels. Letter A, 1/2 the depth of trench. Letter B, 1/8 the depth of trench. Letter C, 1/4 the depth of trench. Letter D, equal to the depth of trench. The answer is letter A, 1/2 the depth of trench. Question number 22. Intervals of horizontal supports for copper tubing 51 mm diameter and larger. Letter A, 3 meters. Letter B, 3.6 meters. Letter C, 1.8 meters. Letter D, 1.2 meters. The answer is letter A, 3 meters. Question number 23. Maximum spacing of horizontal supports for CISP exceeding 1.5 meters. Letter A, 3 meters. Letter B, 3.6 meters. Letter C, 4.9 meters. Letter D, 5 meters. The answer is letter A, 3 meters. Question number 24. Intervals for vertical supports for plastic pipes. Letter A, 3 meters. Letter B, 1 meter. Letter C, 2 meters. Letter D, 1.5 meters. The answer is letter B, 1 meter. Question number 25. Number of set, or sets, of approved plans, specifications and data to be retained to the applicant and the owner. Letter A, 1 set. Letter B, 2 sets. Letter C, 3 sets. Letter D, 6 sets. The answer is letter B, 2 sets.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.